Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the bird in accessories. Okay, I'm going to censor this because I don't want to show you that I speak Indonesian. Okay, the code is tweet roblox. You cannot redeem it by checking the box. You can redeem it. Okay, go to Roblox and go to your profile, go to customize, go to accessories and check shoulder, and you got the free bird. That's so cute. Wait, how about spider cola? I wonder if I can get the spider accessories again, like the bird that I received earlier. Spider cola. But what is that for? I don't know. I don't know what is that for, okay? So subscribe, okay guys? Bye.